Ubuntu versus Fedora. Which Linux distro wins? Choosing the right Linux distribution can completely change how you experience your operating system without the frustration of compatibility issues. Let's look at two popular options. Ubuntu and Fedora are both powerful Linux distributions, but they cater to different users. Ubuntu focuses on user-friendliness and stability, while Fedora emphasizes cutting-edge features and innovation. Understanding these core differences is key to making the right choice. Ubuntu is one of the most popular Linux distributions, known for its ease of use and robust community support. It operates on a regular release cycle, providing stable updates and a user-friendly interface that appeals to newcomers and experienced users alike. Ubuntu uses the GNOME desktop environment, which offers a clean and intuitive experience. One of its strengths is the vast repository of software available, making it easy to find and install applications. However, some users may find that Ubuntu's focus on stability can mean it lags behind in adopting the latest software versions. Ideal users for Ubuntu include those looking for a reliable, easy-to-navigate system, especially for desktop use or educational purposes. Fedora is a cutting-edge Linux distribution that serves as a testing ground for new technologies. It is sponsored by Red Hat and focuses on providing the latest features in the Linux ecosystem. Fedora uses a more frequent release cycle, which means users have access to the newest software and technologies sooner. It offers a choice of desktop environments with GNOME as the default, but users can opt for others like KDE or XFC. The strengths of Fedora lie in its commitment to open source software and its strong security features. However, its rapid updates may not appeal to users seeking a stable environment for long-term projects. Ideal users for Fedora include developers and tech enthusiasts who want to experiment with the latest tools and features. When comparing Ubuntu and Fedora, consider your needs. If you prioritize stability and ease of use, Ubuntu is the better choice. It is perfect for those who want a reliable system for daily tasks. On the other hand, if you crave the latest features and are comfortable with more frequent updates, Fedora might be the right fit. For example, a user who needs a dependable system for work might prefer Ubuntu, while a developer looking to test new software would benefit from Fedora's cutting-edge releases. Ultimately, the choice depends on whether you value stability or innovation more in your Linux experience. If you are new to Linux or need a stable environment, Ubuntu is the recommended choice for its user-friendly interface and extensive support. For those who want to stay on the forefront of technology and enjoy experimenting with new features, Fedora is the ideal option. Choose wisely, as both distributions offer unique benefits tailored to different user needs.